These are the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 13. So the graph of a function y equals absolute value of x is shown below. And then I have a table of values with some x and y values and the associated ordered pairs. I want to subtract 4 from each y coordinate in the ordered pairs in number 1, and then we'll graph the new ordered pairs and see what happens visually. So from each y coordinate, I'm going to subtract 4. So the x's stay the same, and then 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 2 stays the same. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 4. Okay, so I'm going to plot these new points. 3, negative 1. Oops, that was supposed to be negative 3, negative 1. Negative 3, negative 1. Negative 2, negative 2. Negative 1, negative 3. 0, negative 4. 1, negative 3. 2, negative 2. 3, negative 1. And I can just connect them with a straight line. And visually, the relationship between the original graph and the new graph, it looks like I just slid this red graph down, just shifted it down by 4 units. Okay, now I have a graph of y equals x squared, and I have some x and y values, a table of x and y values and ordered pairs, the associated ordered pairs. I want to add 2 to each x coordinate and see what happens to the graph. Okay, so for each point, I'm going to add 2 to the x coordinate only. So negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Y doesn't change. 0, 4. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. And again, I'm not changing the y's, only adding 2 to each of my x's. And then I will plot these points, negative 1, 9, 0, 4, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 4, and 5, 9. And then if I connect them with a nice smooth curve, what looks like happened is it looks like I took the original red graph and shifted it 2 units to the right.